Introduction. Percent. 80% marks means 80 marks out of 100. This shows that percent means out of 100. In symbol, we denote percent as a fraction and vice versa. Since 80% means 80 out of 100 or 80 upon 100 is equal to 4 upon 5 when reduced to lowest terms. This shows that percent can be expressed as a fraction whose denominator is 100. Now, 3 upon 4 is equal to 3 into 25 upon 4 into 25. This is equal to 75 upon 100 is equal to 75%. Thus, we have done the opposite of above. That is, we have expressed a fraction as a percent as a decimal and vice versa. We know that 65% means 65 upon 100 is equal to 0.65. Thus, we have expressed percent as decimal. Now let us consider a decimal, say 4.5. 4.5 can be written as a fraction 45 upon 10 or 45 into 10 upon 10 into 10 is equal to 450 upon 100. This is equal to 450%. This proves that a decimal can be expressed as a percent as a ratio. 90% means 90 upon 100 is equal to 9 upon 10 is equal to 9:10. 3:4 is equal to 3 upon 4 is equal to 3 into 25 upon 4 into 25 is equal to 75 upon 100 is equal to 75%. This proves that we can express percent as a ratio and a ratio as a percent. Example 1. Express A. 5% as a fraction, B. 13% as a decimal. Solution. A. 5% is equal to 5 upon 100 is equal to 1 upon 20. B. 13% is equal to 13 upon 100 is equal to 0.13. Example 2. Shizan got an increase of 10% in his salary. If his salary after increase was Rs 72,710, find his salary before increase. Solution. Let us suppose his salary before increase was Rs X. Increase in salary is 10% of X is equal to 10 into X upon 100 is equal to X upon 10. Salary after increase is equal to Rs X plus X upon 10 is equal to Rs 11X upon 10. Thus, 11X upon 10 is equal to Rs 72,710 or X is equal to Rs 72,710 into 10 upon 11 is equal to 6,610 into 10 is equal to Rs 66,100. Therefore, salary before increase was Rs 66,100. Example 3. A number is increased by 40%, then decreased by 40%. Find the net increase or decrease percent. Solution. Let the number be equal to 100. Therefore, number after 40% increase is equal to 100 plus 40 is equal to 140. Decrease in the new number is equal to 40% of 140 is equal to 40 into 140 upon 100 is equal to 56. Final number is equal to 140 minus 56 is equal to 84. Net decrease is equal to 100 minus 84 is equal to 16. Hence, net decrease percent is equal to 16%. Survey analysis. 1. Conduct a survey of 10 families of your neighborhood and find out the income and expenditure of each family and then express their savings as percentage of their income. 2. Find out what % of amount was spent on education by the Government of India during last 5 years. Discount. Marked price. The price printed on an article is called its marked price, or sometimes is also called the list price. Discount. This means discount is the deduction made on the marked price. It is generally given as % of the marked price. It is always calculated on the marked price or the list price. Discount % is equal to discount upon marked price into 100. Net price. The difference between the marked price and the discount allowed is called net price. It is also called the discounted price. Example 1. The price of a shawl was slashed from Rs 960 to Rs 816 by a shopkeeper in the winter season. Find the rate of discount given by him. Solution. Marked price is equal to Rs 960. Net price is equal to Rs 816. Discount is equal to marked price minus net price is equal to Rs 960 minus 816 is equal to Rs 144. Discount % is equal to discount upon marked price into 100 is equal to 144 upon 960 into 100 is equal to 15%. Example 2. The marked price of a packet of 1 kg tea is Rs 140, but a shopkeeper gives a cup costing Rs 8 free with it. By doing so, he still gains 10%. Find the cost price of 1 kg tea. Solution. Marked price is equal to Rs 140. Cost of the cup given free by shopkeeper is equal to Rs 8. Therefore, net selling price is equal to Rs 140 minus Rs 8 is equal to Rs 132. Gain is equal to 10%. Since CP is equal to 100 into SP upon 100 plus gain %, so CP is equal to Rs 100 into 132 upon 100 plus 10 is equal to 132 into 100 upon 110 is equal to Rs 120. Example 3. A dealer marks his goods at 35% above the cost price and allows a discount of 20% on the marked price. Find his gain or loss %. Solution. Suppose CP is equal to Rs 100. Marked price is equal to Rs 100 plus 35% of 100 is equal to Rs 100 plus Rs 35 is equal to Rs 135. Discount is equal to Rs 20 upon 100 into 135 is equal to Rs 27. SP is equal to Rs 135 minus Rs 27 is equal to Rs 108. Therefore, gain is equal to Rs 108 minus Rs 100 is equal to Rs 8. Therefore, gain % is equal to 8 upon 100 into 100 is equal to 8%. Successive discounts. An advertisement which says 50% plus 20% off on inverters and batteries. This means 50% discount given on the MP, then on the reduced price a discount of 20% is given. In this case, we say that successive discounts of 50% and 20% are given. Note that successive discounts of 50% plus 20% is not equal to 70%. Example 1. A music system was sold for Rs 5,760 after giving successive discounts of 10% and 20% respectively. What was the marked price? Solution. Let the marked price be Rs 100. First discount is equal to 10% is equal to 10% on rupees 100 is equal to 10 into 100 upon 100 is equal to rupees 10. Price after first discount is equal to rupees 100 minus rupees 10 is equal to rupees 90. Second discount is equal to 20% is equal to 20% of rupees 90 is equal to 20 into 90 upon 100 is equal to rupees 18. Price after second discount is equal to net price is equal to rupees 90 minus rupees 18 is equal to rupees 72. When net price is rupees 72, then MP is equal to rupees 100. When net price is rupee 1, then MP is equal to rupees 100 upon 72. When net price is rupees 5,760, then MP is equal to rupees 100 upon 72 into 5,760. This is equal to rupees 8,000. Example 2. What single discount is equivalent to two successive discounts of 30% and 10%? Solution. Let the marked price be rupees 100. First discount is equal to 30% on rupees 100 is equal to rupees 30 into 100 upon 100. This is equal to rupees 30. Price after first discount is equal to rupees 100 minus rupees 30 is equal to rupees 70. Second discount is equal to 10% on reduced price. That is, 10% on rupees 70 is equal to 10 into 70 upon 100. This is equal to rupees 7. Price after second discount is equal to net price is equal to rupees 70 minus 7 is equal to rupees 63. Therefore, total discount offered is equal to rupees 100 minus rupees 63 is equal to rupees 37. Therefore, total percentage discount allowed is equal to 37 upon 100 into 100 is equal to 37%. Thus, single discount equivalent to successive discounts of 30% and 10% is equal to 37%.
Tax. A tax is an obligation which is paid to the government without getting something in return. Sales tax. It is a tax levied by the government on the sold items in the market. It is always levied on the sale price of the commodities. It is generally charged at fixed percentage on the selling price. Sales tax is calculated by the following formula. Sales tax is equal to selling price multiplied by rate of sales tax by 100. Rate of sales tax is equal to sales tax multiplied by 100 by selling price. Total amount bill is equal to selling price plus sales tax. Example. The price of a TV is rupees 13,000. The sales tax charged on it is at the rate of 12%. Find the amount that Vinod will have to pay if he buys it. Solution. List price of a TV is rupees 13,000. Sales tax charged is 12% is equal to rupees 12 multiplied by 13,000 by 100. Amount paid as sales tax is equal to rupees 1560. Therefore, Vinod paid to buy TV is equal to rupees 13,000 plus rupees 1560 is equal to rupees 14,560. VAT, value added tax. VAT or value added tax is a type of tax that is charged by the central government on the sale of services and goods. the seller adds VAT and collects it from the buyer. VAT is paid by the producers of services and goods, but it is finally imposed on the consumers who purchase the services and goods. Note, if a discount is given on the item, sales tax or VAT is levied on the discounted price. Example: I purchased a hair dryer for rupees 5,400 including 8% VAT. Find the price before VAT. Solution: selling price of a hair dryer including VAT is rupees 5,400. Let list price be rupees X. VAT is 8% of rupees X is equal to rupees 8 multiplied by X by 100 is equal to 2X by 25. This implies X plus 2X by 25 is equal to rupees 5,400 or 25x plus 2x by 25 is equal to rupees 5,400 or 27x is equal to rupees 5,400 multiplied by 25 or x is equal to rupees 5,400 by 27 multiplied by 25 is equal to rupees 200 multiplied by 25 is equal to rupees 5,000. Thus, price before adding VAT is equal to rupees 5,000. GST, Goods and Services Tax. On 1st July 2017, the Government of India introduced a new tax policy called Goods and Services Tax. This GST is an indirect tax levied on the supply of goods and services. With the introduction of this tax, many other indirect taxes that existed earlier have been replaced. It is a comprehensive, multi-stage, destination-based tax that is levied on every value addition. Components of GST. Under this system, 3 different taxes, CGST, SGST and IGST are applicable. CGST. This tax is charged on intrastate sale and is collected by central government. For example, a transaction happening within Himachal Pradesh. SGST. This tax is collected by the state government and is charged on intrastate supplies and goods. For example, a transaction happening within Uttarakhand. IGST. This tax is collected by the central government and is charged on interstate transaction. For example, Uttar Pradesh and Haryana. Remember, the government imposes mainly 5%, 12%, 18% or 28% GST rate on goods and services. Most of the items of fundamental use have been kept tax-free. Example: Sonam purchased a laptop with a marked price of rupees 36,000 at a discount of 10%. If the GST is charged at the rate of 28%, find the amount Sonam had to pay for purchasing the laptop. Solution. Marked price of the laptop is equal to rupees 36,000. Discount percent is equal to 10%. Discount is equal to rupees 10 multiplied by 36,000 by 100 is equal to rupees 3600. Price after discount is equal to rupees 36,000 minus rupees 3600 is equal to rupees 32,400. GST rate is equal to 28%. GST is equal to 28% of rupees 32,400 is equal to rupees 28 by 100 multiplied by 32,400 is equal to rupees 9,072. Sonam has to pay is equal to rupees 32,400 plus 9,072 is equal to rupees 41,472.